There's one small sentence most people say every single day, and they never realize it quietly reveals their level of confidence. In fact, the way we respond to simple moments, like when someone thanks us, asks us a question, or gives us a compliment, often says more about us than we think. Sometimes just one word can signal presence, or insecurity, clarity, or habit, and most of the time we don't even notice it. The ancient Stoic philosophers believed that the way you speak reflects the level of awareness you have about yourself. Marcus Aurelius once wrote that a person's character shows not only in what they do, but also in what they say. Because words are not just sounds, they are signals. Signals of intention, signals of confidence, signals of presence. And today, I'm going to share 8 simple phrases that can instantly elevate the way you communicate with people. Small changes, but powerful ones. Let's begin with something very common. When someone says, "Thank you," most people automatically respond with, "You're welcome." It's polite, but there's a stronger response. Instead, try saying, "My pleasure." Now you're not just closing the interaction, you're showing warmth, and people feel that. Here's another situation. You arrive late somewhere. Most people immediately say, "Sorry, I'm late." But there's a more thoughtful response. Say this instead: "Thank you for waiting. I appreciate your patience." The first sentence focuses on your mistake. The second one acknowledges the other person's kindness, and that small shift changes how people experience you. Now, imagine someone asks, "What do you want to eat?" Many people reply, "Whatever." But that can sound distant or disengaged. Instead, try saying, "You choose. I trust your taste." Now you sound calm, decisive, and respectful at the same time. Here's another powerful moment. Someone asks if you know how to do something. Most people respond with, "I don't know." But confident people say, "I can learn that quickly." That one sentence shows growth, adaptability, and quiet confidence. Now imagine someone asks you a difficult question, and you genuinely don't know the answer. Most people end the conversation by saying, "I have no idea." Instead, try this: "That's a great question. What do you think?" Now the conversation stays alive, and connection grows. Let's talk about compliments. When someone says something kind about you, many people become uncomfortable. They downplay it. They say, "Oh, it was nothing," or "I just got lucky." But that weakens your presence. Instead, simply say, "Thank you. I really appreciate that." No explanation, no deflection, just confidence. Now, imagine you prepare food for someone, and they say, "This is too much." Most people apologize immediately, but there's no need. Instead, say, "You deserve it. Enjoy." That response shows generosity, warmth, and emotional maturity. Here's another moment people rarely notice. When someone thanks you again, instead of repeating the same reply, you can say, "Anytime." Simple, but powerful, because it shows openness and reliability. The Stoics believed awareness begins in small daily choices, and the way you speak is one of those choices. When you become intentional with your words, people begin to feel your confidence. Your conversations become smoother, your relationships become stronger, and your presence becomes calmer without you trying to impress anyone. Because in the end, these are not just phrases, they are small decisions. And over time, those decisions quietly shape the person you become.